Hello, my name is El Hamim,
أنا طيب محمد.
and today we will have a discussion on how to create this lab test and this JavaFX project. So we'll start by creating a new project called JavaFX. Java, normal Java FX program. And we'll start with implementing libraries. Import. I already import JavaFX dot application. Import JavaFX dot stage dot JavaFX dot scene JavaFX dot scene control dot label for JavaFX dot scene layout vbox for JavaFX dot scene layout dot geometry. So we are importing applications because every JavaFX project must extend stage for the window label is for text and VBox is our layout. Suppose the POS for position and alignment. So these are implemented for JavaFX. We JavaFX hit properties, click libraries, manage platforms, manage a new platform after downloading Azure file, Azure library, then implement it to Bean so we can use it. And then we Java platform instead of JDK25 use JDKFX. So that's why all application, all of these things are working.
After that, we're gonna write the application that we import. We're gonna write public class lab test lab test extends application. See how we extend application. This is required for JavaFX to know the JavaFX would know the program and giving access to all the launch and give اتكلم انت.
So I typed ArcGIS. The main method is at the entry point. Just call launch ArcGIS, which will start the Java processing. Eventually call our starting.
After that, we're gonna override the application, the extending application. So when you click, it will say abstract all the method from application. When you abstract, it will give you override and public void start, which in parameters is stage and primary stage. The start method is where we build our UI. It's automatically called by the JavaFX. As you can see, the primary string parameter is the main window, and the JavaFX give to us ready to use.
After that, we created okay. After that, we created a label to display the text. Okay, create a label to display the text. Set label equal to new label So after fixing label message, and I type my name. This is the first part.
After that, we're gonna create the VBox layout, the layout container. We're gonna write VBox, again VBox, but I think the first VBox we're gonna need to write it in capital. The first V, we're gonna need to write it in capital. Wait. First B equal new VBox in parameter 10 in parameter. Yes. Yeah. The first VBox, the B must be capital, I think. And the second B also. After we create the VBox layout container, the term inside the parameter is set spacing. That means 10 pixels between the child elements we add. This means the spacing requirements of the task.
Then we add our label to the VBox. Get children. Dot add a new message label. We add VBox is a container, so it has a list of children. We use get children.add so that we can put the label inside.
After that, we need to align the text to the bottom center, which we will write VBox dot set alignment. After set, we know the A must be capital. Alignment parameter pos dot b capital S. There we align the text to the bottom center as required. Post the bottom center, that's the VBox to the position its contents at the bottom center of the available space.
VBox is error. Why?
VBox is error. Let me check. Yeah.
It's small. It's small.
Oh, the V B capital. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Then now we create a scene. scene, continue scene. Create a scene. The scene holds everything that appears will be appearing in the window. We pass VBox as a root node and set the width 400 and height 400 pixels. That means the Windows size.
After that, we're gonna set our primary state. We're gonna write primary state dot set title. We're gonna set the title. We need set title parameter quotations hello world slash task one. We set the window title. This will appear on the title bar of the output. I'm making it describable so we can know this is our task one.
Okay, finally we should attach the scene to the stage with the set scene. Finally, stage set scene. Scene. We called show that it's not seen. After that, we should call show. So we called show to make the window visible. So forget show, the program will run. It will not appear in the output, but after show it will show. So this is perfect. I think we should run the code.
Yeah, let's run.
As you can see, it's showing hello task. ظاهرة.
Yeah.
Output.
No, output is missing.
Okay, let me share. This is the output. ظاهرة.
Yeah.
It's in full size because share will be in full size, but as you can see, it's showing the entire window. And with the aspects, we put 400 and 200 pixels. It shows hello world, task one, and down at the bottom it shows the name. So this is task one, it's finished. Now we run to task two. Type task two. We create a new project.
Yeah, I think we need to create a new project to import all of this.
Yeah, so we just copy them. So we don't need to have to write them again. Don't see. Project. Call it task two. And we paste.
I think you need more imports, right?
The text field, the bottom of the label.
Grid pane.
Yeah.
Insets.
build. Okay, for the panel, and then take we just add the stage. You have a stage, right? That's it. So we imported grid the panel for layout and text field for user input and button for submission. And we need to just to input inset for okay import java fx dot geometry dot insets. So we start writing this program. It extends application.
It extends, you write that we extend the application. We'll find some error.
It's called task 2.
Yeah. Make the task 2 abstract. After okay. أقول is active. So we need to write our static void, static main. Before that, we're gonna write public static void main strings string args. Wait. Bunch args.
That's it.
It was the same structure as task 1, extend the application, the name method, the launch, the override start, everything. This is the state for our window.
And we should type override. Yes. We should type override, and after that we should type the grid. So to continue where we stopped, we should start typing the grid, the root container. It's not unlike VBox. VBox stacks things vertically. Grid pane arranges items in columns and rows. It's very perfect for forms. So we type grid pane grid also new grid pane.
I think the P should be capital.
Sure.
Yeah. After that, we need to set our horizontal and vertical gap. We're gonna set each of them for 10 pixels. So we're gonna write grid dot set edge gap with the yes. We're gonna adjust it for 10 and grid for V gap. We're gonna set it also for 10.
After that,
This creates a space between the columns and the rows. Without this, the elements will be touching each other. So we need to put that in a perfect place.
after that, we should place the grid, the padding, grid dot set padding, new, sets 20. This in sets 20 will add 20 pixels of padding around the four sides of the grid. This pushes everything away from the windows, so it doesn't look cramped, tied together.
After that, we need to center the entire grid with the scene. So we're gonna write grid dot set alignment or we will set alignment parameter post dot center. That's it. This makes the form appear in the middle of the window instead from the top left or bottom.
After that, we should type naming row, which is the label, by typing a text field. So level equal to new level text field field new field field add so add name level 1 name field level 1 0 put name level 0 0 and name field at column 1 row 0, so it will be like name after that the field of where you put your name. So in grid pane the order is column 1, column comes first in row.
Second row at index 1 will do the same pattern. We'll provide a label, matrix label, matrix label equal new label, a matrix number. I'm gonna say text field, same line, text field, matrix field equal new text field. We will say grid dot add wait matrix label 0, 1. And with matrix field 1, 1. Label in column 0, text field in column 1. The form is starting like to take some sort of shape right now.
After that, we should type label course label for type the course and the course field. Do the same for the course field. So we just take all of this and we add it here. Label course label. New course, new label course. New text field, course field. Course label and course field. It's 0, 2 and 1, 2. So at index 2, no, we increased 1, so it didn't give each other. So the last thing
We need to add the submission button. The submission button needs to go to the column 1 and the row 3, which will make us write button submit btn equal new button submit. We add a grid, but add submit btn 1 and 3. That puts it under the text field, so we don't need to label for this row.
the button doesn't work. Why is that?
Bottom, can we check the right?
Did you add the button in here in the
import
the button, control button? We didn't. Okay. Import
Java scene.
Java X scene dot control dot button.
We PU. This is you. Check the spelling.
Java X scene control.
What's wrong with the grid?
Grid is spelling. Okay, grid dot add submit button. So after we type the grid, then after that we type the scenes. Third row index 2 is the bottom. Third column 1 row 3 is the bottom. So we should create the scenes. The scene is CNE equals to grid 400 250. primary stage dot set title registration form registration form. Let's say task 2 and then reset scene. Lastly, reset show. Reset show by stage dot show. So this is the full code, and the screen size should be 100 by 20. It's smaller than Task 1 with 15 in the horizon, the vertical line. So run the code. غير الصفحة بتاعت الشاشة. طيب ظهرت.
Yes.
Okay, this is the output of the name. We type the name. Then we type the name. We type the name. Then we hit speed. So this is registration form task. It's 400. Okay. So we go to task list. New.
I think we need all the imports from task 2.
Okay, let me go copy and paste them. الخطة هذه تحت هنا الشاشة. لا الشاشة اللي الخطة هذه تحت تغطي الكود. طيب ستيك. طيب import. طيب ظهرت.
Yeah.
Okay, this is task 3. We should display an image. Okay.
So we need to write the same thing as task 2 and task 1. The task 3 must extend application. And then we write our main. Because we didn't import the application. We didn't import application. Can you go to task 2? We find import.application.application. Yeah, copy, just copy.
Okay.
And then we implement of the abstract method. And then we need to write our main static main first. After the task 3, yeah, public static void main. String args. Launch args. This is just the same pattern as the task 2 and task 1. I think we know this point where it set our main method, start method, and the state to our window.
Okay, now we type the title of the label. So label detail title equal to new. Let's call it my folder. So I don't set style style. Sure. X font size 16 px dash fx font
All should be in quotation.
should be. Okay, we create a title label above the image and called the memory box, and I added some CSS. So to style and make it bolder and larger, 16 pixels to be exact. After that,
We need to save any picture from our browser and put it in a specific file so we can get this picture.
okay, it's the code.
We're gonna write image again equal new image, the quotation file dot png.
The file name is 123. So image development.
We don't. I don't think we have the import for image, so we need to import JavaFX
Dot
scene
image.
dot image.
Okay, there you go. Put that on. اسمه شنو البروجكت what is the name of the project
file 1 2 3
البروجكت الكبيرة جافا اف اكس
program.
program صح so I should put the image 1 2 3 in the Java program so the program could read it so I put the image there and it should display later right?
This is where we load the image file in the case we are loading from the local file system. As you can see, the file 123 must be in the project root folder. So if we don't want to discuss what it does file indicate, it's a protocol telling that Java prefix to look for the image the local file system rather than from a URL or a class path. All that's
Okay, now I will just write the rest of the code because the time will not help to explain everything. And we will explain task 4 in the next slide, the next video when we upload it today. So the rest of the code is then we set the image that we want to view it. Image view set fit width to 250. Image view. Yes, so now image view dot set preserve ratio. So it will change when I change the screen size. Then I should the button to resize, and I will do that using if condition. Button resize btn dot equals to new btn button resize image. Resize btn dot set action, and we use the new method. If image view dot get fit width 150 width equal to 250 should set the width image view set FID DTH width to 150. Else image view dot set width to 250. Okay, now it's working. So after that, I change the VBox size. Okay, let me stop the share so I can do this without wasting time. So I set the VBox size, set the scene, and I set it to show. So we would show in. So okay, the task should show the image, and the bottom refactor the size. Yes, that's it. So I need to share it. So as you can see, it's the image, and I set it to only change size when I change the size of the screen. As you can see, the aspect is still the same. When I press the resize, it will change from 150 to 150. So yeah, my photo to change this. My photo by. So that's the end of the screen. That's the code. The final task will be implemented with the other project, with the next one, because the time is not enough for this one. Okay, thank you. Thank you.